Hi, I'm Patrick van der Meer, Visual Coach, and we're going to fix our Bootstrap problems. We upgraded from version 3 to 4, and we are left with this lousy broken menu. Alright, not only that, there's much more problem laying under that, but you know what? We're gonna fix them all so you can continue building great websites. So let's see what's going on. So, Bootstrap 4. If you just go to a Bootstrap site, so let's start a website, and normally you would get all the information on Bootstrap you would get from getbootstrap.com. Here we are, and it's okay if you just like the current version is 4.3.1, so if you get started you get all the information that you need on Bootstrap. Happy coding. Read all of it, go do it. Or go with me. And we'll go to Bootstrap. No, not Bootstrap. Bootwatch. And Bootwatch. Let's see. Here we are. Free themes for Bootstrap. So they provide us with new free themes in the version 4. Let's say we take the Darkly. And what they did for us is showing how everything should look like. This is a nice navbar. And if you click on the button in the right top corner of all these examples, you can do that about everywhere. If you do that, you get the code that comes with it. So I only am gonna get this code, copy it, so Control A to select everything and Control C to copy everything. And then we leave this behind and we go back to our project. And now we need to figure out where our menu bar is. Now, the menu bar is in the views. The views are actually that what you see, the HTML code plus the Razor code mixed, the C# code plus the HTML code mixed. And that's all under views. And in this case, the menu, because it's like a shell around the main page that you're presenting, so this is always the same. It's in here in the layout. Right, if you open it, you can see that there is a navbar over here, and all of this is going to be commented out. Then we're gonna do a new div. So I hope you have any knowledge of HTML, and otherwise just follow along. And we tell it that the class that we need over here is the class container. Well, you could actually go container fluid, but I'll take container. And now all the code that we had, we just copy it in. Control V, and now we have our new menu over here. But of course all the links are broken because this is copied from the net, so we're gonna fix that as well, and we'll do that in the next video. Let's look how this let's see how this looks like. But in theory, we have fixed the top bar menu. Now we just have to tinker with it until it is actually doing the same as it should in the other one. Look at this. Here we are. Nice blue bar over here with all the items that came with the copying and pasting. So we need to change this, and we'll do that in the next video.